So this stock has hit my stop loss. Let me share my screen with you and show you what happened here. Actually, I made a mistake in this stock. I did not identify or properly analyze the base. So let us have a look at this stock. Let me share my screen with you. Okay, so this is ACE, Action Construction Equipment. Let me expand this. Okay, so you see this yellow line, that's my buy point. You see this shooting star like candle. That's the day I bought the stock, which is 3rd of July. And this red line is my stop loss. So within 4 or 5 days, it hit my stop loss of 8%. So first, let me explain why I bought this stock. You look at this blue, green, and red line, those are the moving averages, the 50-day, the 150-day, and the 200-day. You can see that all three are moving up. It's a nice uptrending stock. It is a stage 2 stock. Plus, it is consolidating. See, the consolidation starts from this candle. Okay. There are more than 10 candles in the base. Okay. This is the base. So 10 candles means I am looking for minimum 2 weeks of consolidation. And as you can see, if you join the extremes, there are multiple contractions in price here. So let me show you those contractions. So let me first remove the moving averages. Okay, now the chart looks clean. Okay, so let's see how the price is moving, or rather I would say how the price is contracting. From here it goes here. I'm just joining the extremes. From here it goes here, then here. Okay, so 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, and this is 0.7. The high of this green candle is 0.7. So that's why I take this, the high of this candle, which is 0.5 as my buy point. So I draw a yellow line at the high of this candle, which is 1545. And at the close of this day, I put that order and see my order gets triggered. The stock momentarily goes up and then it fails. It goes and hits my stop loss. Although it has gone down, as you can see here, the volume is quite low. So the institutions are not selling. So the stock it still remains a stage 2 stock. It is not a failure of the base. It is actually a failure of the buy point. My buy point itself was wrong. So let me explain what happened here. So I will remove my stop loss level. Okay, now the chart looks even more clean. What I will do is I will draw this base first. I will first mark this base. See, from here till here. So the middle line is the midpoint of the base. Above this, you have the upper half of the base and the lower half of the base. The upper half I have divided in two parts. So the first quarter and the second quarter. So I have divided the base into 4 quarters. The uppermost, the second quarter, then the third and the fourth. So I have marked these two. See, you can see the shaded area here. So, and the base I have drawn by joining 0.1 and 0.2. Now, if you see, there are shakeouts in this base. See, this candle is a shakeout. So the price should have started consolidating from this point, but that low did not hold. It created another low. Again, from here, the price should have consolidated, but even that low could not hold. It created another low and another low. So these are called as shakeouts. Shakeouts are price areas where the weaker players are removed or weeded out from the market by the big institutions. So whenever you have a base with a shakeout, it is advisable to buy when the price is in the uppermost quarter, because there is too much overhead supply here. If I'm buying here, then there are buyers in this area, there are buyers in this area, they are waiting to sell. These are trapped buyers in the market. So we have to allow the price to go up, consolidate in this area, and then buy here. I would prefer that the stock closes at least 2 or 3 times in this shaded area. As you can see here, my buy point itself is below the uppermost quarter. So my buy point itself was wrong. I should have waited more and allowed the stock to go up more. And after consolidation, I should have bought in somewhere in this area. But this stock, instead of going up, started coming down. So the base is still valid. It is still a stage 2 stock. Nothing wrong with this. It could even consolidate more from 1, 2, 3, 4. It could create 5, 6, 7, 8. It could create more points. It still remains a stage 2 stock. So there is nothing wrong with the base. The problem is I got in too early. That is why my stop loss got hit. So that's the trade. I hope you understood what mistake I made. And I hope you will not repeat that mistake in your trading. Okay. Thank you so much.